In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workflow settings in HubSpot. Managing workflow settings is a crucial skill for anyone using HubSpot to streamline business processes and improve efficiency. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand not only how to navigate the platform, but also why each action is important for your overall strategy. We begin by heading over to the HubSpot website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the login button at the top right corner. Click on that to enter your HubSpot credentials. This step is your gateway into the HubSpot universe and authorizes you to access all the tools and settings you need. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is essentially your dashboard, a central place from where you can navigate to various features of HubSpot. Next, look for the automations option. This is typically located in the main navigation bar or the side menu, depending on your personalized layout or the version you are using. The automation section is where the magic happens. It's where you set up processes to run on autopilot, saving you time and effort. Once you've clicked on automations, you'll want to zero in on workflows. Click on the Workflows tab, and you'll be taken to a page showing your existing workflows, or if you don't have any yet, an option to create a new one. Workflows are fundamental in automating key tasks in your marketing, sales, and customer service processes. With your list of workflows in front of you, identify the specific workflow you want to manage and focus on the Edit Actions button. Clicking this will open up a detailed view of your selected workflow, allowing you to review the sequence of actions currently in place. This is where you can make precise adjustments to ensure that every automated action aligns with your business goals. The next key step is to access the settings within your workflow editor. After clicking Edit Actions, look for a Settings tab or button within the workflow dashboard. This section lets you manage crucial parameters such as enrollment triggers, timing options, and workflow suppression settings. It's an essential tool for refining who enters the workflow, when actions occur, and under what conditions they are paused or stopped. By navigating through these options, you have the opportunity to fully customize your workflow processes. Whether you need to set specific enrollment criteria or manage suppression lists, these settings help fine-tune the automation to internal standards and customer expectations. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to manage your workflow settings in HubSpot. This process not only enhances your automation strategy, but also ensures that your business processes are efficient and effective.